If you want to connect your Namecheap domain to your Clickfunnels account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point your domain correctly so your funnel can go live without confusion or wasted time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email and password connected to your domain. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains will appear. Now find the domain you want to connect to Clickfunnels, and next to that domain, click Manage. This will open the settings panel for that specific domain. From there, click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is the area where you can edit records and make the changes needed for your domain connection. Once the Advanced DNS page opens, scroll down until you see Host Records. This section controls where your domain points, so it's important to be careful here. To begin, click Add New Record. The first record you need to add is a URL redirect record. Set the host field to the @ symbol. This means you're applying the redirect to the root domain, like your domain.com. In the value field, enter https www.yourdomain.tld. Make sure you use the correct destination format for your setup. Next, you'll add a CNAME record. Again, click Add New Record if needed, and this time choose CNAME Record from the record type options. In the host field, type www. In the value field, enter target.clickfunnels.com. This is the record that helps route your www version of the domain to Clickfunnels. Now take a moment to check both records carefully. Make sure the URL redirect record is using @ in the host field and the correct value, and make sure the CNAME record has www pointing to target clickfunnels.com. A small typo here can stop the connection from working properly, so this step matters. Once everything looks right, click Save All Changes. Namecheap will then update your DNS settings, and it may take some time for the changes to fully propagate across the internet. In some cases, it can be quick, but in others, it may take a little longer before the domain fully connects to Clickfunnels. After that, you can go back to your Clickfunnels account and continue with the domain verification or connection process there if needed, and that's it. You've now connected your Namecheap domain to your Clickfunnels account using the correct DNS records. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.